It's just an old dirty Chevy riding. Don't say nothing, get inside it. Everybody know about me, they just trying to keep me silent. Pressing pause and try to stop me. Wish you would, I highly doubt it. Truck on Willie Nelson, bitch so high you had to climb about it. Kick that door and open up, don't play that hand, I know you bluff. You tapping out, we Cobra clutch. Tie one on you, sober up. That diesel burn, come soak it up. You smell that gas, you know it's us. One hit is like the Noble, by time it ends you be choking up. I'm about to knock 'em down, I'm about to pull the trigger. Feeling like I'm Al Collins, you know I roll with killers. Semi-auto, empty bottles, drinking like there's no tomorrow. Chevy truck, I push the throttle, turn around. You see me roll up in that Chevrolet, that bottom muddy like the Everglades. You thinking different, we could set 'em straight. I tell 'em fill up the gas, it's time to go get a bag. You see I'm always on the go. You wanna ride and let me know. That Chevy knocking riding slow. I'm on it though, I'm on it though. You see me rolling in that Chevrolet, that bottom muddy like the Everglades. You thinking different, we can set 'em straight. I tell 'em fill up the gas, it's time to go get a bag. When I pull up in that Chevrolet,
I don't like to ride the same, just like the rest of you. Got a watered down lame version, just like a replica. Match the gas, pass that ass, boy, and it'll be scaring you. Got that blue on red, baby, call it Captain America. Got that Chevy little jacked up, drop it down and slanging mud. Them dirty girls, they throw it up, running out cause they know it's us. Tucked up, ass in, big butt, bag bend. You wanna ride, quit asking. Write your number on a napkin. We riding style, so what the hell you waiting on? And we gon' be here a while, till the break of dawn. Speakers bout to set it off, bump the roof, let's tear it off. The only way is that Chevrolet, anything else better get it loud.
Chevrolet, that bottom muddy like the Everglades. You thinking different, we could set 'em straight. I tell 'em fill up the gas, it's time to go get a bag. You see I'm always on the go. You wanna ride and let me know. That Chevy knocking riding slow. I'm on it though, I'm on it though. You see me rolling in that Chevrolet, that bottom muddy like the Everglades. You thinking different, we could set 'em straight. I tell 'em fill up the gas, it's time to go get a bag. When I pull up in that Chevrolet.
No, wait, y'all both tie straight, y'all ain't my way. Got a thick booty jacked up, not Ray J, but in my case, I can just smash all day too. Hey, better mud flat bus in the truck full of mud trucks just rolled up. I wanna ride, don't mind much. Girl with a shine, grab shotgun, bowl full of pine, backwoods buzz. Yellow today, the week, the month. Matter of fact, make me a plaque with a dirt bag logo in the front. Hashtag of the dad says GOAT. You lay in the seat back and riding all night till the sun come creep back round to the East Coast. Kinda neat though. Hop out, go straight into beast mode. What you say about Dirt Rock Boy? Got money stacked up for the next few seasons. Kinda feeling like Snoop Dogg with the roof off, lay back like a pin just creeping. Wait, I ain't got no switches, tattoos all on my face like stitches, but I got big old balls in my britches.
You see me roll up in that Chevrolet, that bottom muddy like the Everglades. You thinking different, we could set 'em straight. I tell 'em fill up the gas, it's time to go get a bag. You see I'm always on the go. You wanna ride and let me know. That Chevy knocking riding slow. I'm on it though, I'm on it though. You see me rolling in that Chevrolet, that bottom muddy like the Everglades. You thinking different, we could set 'em straight. I tell 'em fill up the gas, it's time to go get a bag. When I pull up in that Chevrolet.
Country fried, baptized in gravy, can't wash off what the good Lord made you. No matter how far that highway goes, an old dirt road to get you home.
Come on.
If you see it in the right when they try to lie, if you're a bullet hole in a stop sign kind, then I'm right there with you. Put your drinks up high for my country folk, my country folk.
I'm out here on a 1,000-acre plot of land, and I can't hear him hating on me, I'm a modest man. Talking weird, Jimmy Mathers, and he got a plan. And when he talk, I listen to him, that's a lot of man. He said we need to take it back to the root of it. I put on for the country, that's the truth of it. I'm talking last millennium, we was repping it, before anybody had accepted it. We introduced him to the cooler on the tailgate, full of cold natty light, playing satellite. A little Dave while we misbehave, okay. Once we figured the game out, we gon' play. A generation of people that love Tupac. And hey, we banging it in the boondocks. Now put your drink in the air if you ain't scared. Them folks been doing that thing, yeah.
Country fried, baptized in gravy, can't wash off what the good Lord made you. No matter how far that highway goes, an old dirt road to get you home. If you see it in the right when they try to lie, you the bullet hole in a stop sign kind, then I'm right there with you. Put your drinks up high for my country folk, my country folk.
See, me and Bubba, we been doing this a long while. It sure seems a lot longer than a country mile. Hollywood look good, full of fake friends. I never thought we could ever be here again. Time heals, one fell, one came up. Back together, son, we gon' tear this thing up. A lot of talkers and I ain't gotta name them. They wanna be us, hell I can't blame them. So looky here, cold beer on a tailgate. Been doing this for some years, y'all so late. Banging Outcast and a little George Strait. Hot damn, Colt Ford back with Bubba K.
Country fried, baptized in gravy, can't wash off what the good Lord made you. No matter how far that highway goes, an old dirt road to get you home. If you see it in the right when they try to lie, you the bullet hole in a stop sign kind, then I'm right there with you. Put your drinks up high for my country folk, my country folk.
Everything real funny till the money come. Now they want some when they ain't wanted none. And that's just how the thing go when you get her done. We did it, son.
Yeah, we did it, son.
We was drinking Jim Beam by the handle. Me and Steven Hernan loading up ammo. Bumping good in my real tree camo. This white boy really think he Rambo. Cut the beat on, I bet his ass jammed though. You don't like it, straight to hell is where you can go. 12-pointer hanging right up on the mantle. You don't like the program, change the channel.
Country fried, baptized in gravy, can't wash off what the good Lord made you. No matter how far that highway goes, an old dirt road to get you home. If you see it in the right when they try to lie, you the bullet hole in a stop sign kind, then I'm right there with you. Put your drinks up high for my country folk, my country folk.
Right now, I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable. Grab your loved ones, or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gon' throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. Let's have some fun. To the left now. To the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gon' roll your shoulders. Do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gon' throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. It's simple, you can do it. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time. Round, round, round and round you go. It's time to show out right now and take to the floor. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gon' throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. Take it down now, take it take it down now. Bring it up now, bring it up now. Bring it up now, bring it up now. Take it down and crisscross. Bring it up now, crisscross. Do whatever you like right here. Just have fun. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gon' throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gon' throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it.
Square bills, flatbeds, clothesline sunsets, sky blue, barn red. Wind chimes, front porch, good dogs, wood floors, work boots, open doors, and miles of John Deere green. Freedom far as I can see. A road to run and room to breathe. That's who I am and I'll always be. Caught up in the country, the only way I wanna be. Somewhere where the road ends, out there where the creek bends, that's where you can find me. With them fields of gold and cotton rolls, that never-ending sky, that take it slow, easy road, man, that's life. Caught up in the country. Just look at them stars, must be a billion of them, just doing their thing, right where God put them. If this ain't heaven, it's halfway there. You can feel it in the air. Caught up in the country, the only way I wanna be. Somewhere where the road ends, out there where the creek bends, that's where you can find me. With them fields of gold and cotton rolls, that never-ending sky, that take it slow, easy road, man, that's life. Caught up in the country. Caught up in the country. If I have it my way, I'll stay. Caught up in it, caught up in it. Somewhere where the road ends, out there where the creek bends, that's where you can find me. With them fields of gold and cotton rolls, that never-ending sky, that take it slow, easy road, man, that's life. And miles of John Deere green. Freedom far as I can see. The road to run and room to breathe. It's who I am and I'll always be. Caught up in the country. Caught up in the country.
I think I know what they like. They want that. Yeah. They want that. They like that. I think I know what they like. They want that. They on that. They on that. They want that young dumb, who you with, where you from. That gang banging rag hanging, what you claiming crunk. They like that. They on that. They like that. They want that super gutter, ignorant, that new ghetto belligerent. Authentic grips, flipping dope, boy, trap. Yeah, they like that. They on that. They like that, yeah, they want that. They run down the clip, a chicken flipping, pistol gripping, roll out. Music do that so good, that I know about. Money over everybody, trapping when it cold out. Give me mine, grind, ain't gon' shine till I'm sold out. Keep a K and some yay, no hesitation. I spray whoever in the way. O's of the haze on the thing and play. gangbangers and J's and projects winning today. In my baby mama section 8 apartment. Okay, now everybody know me behind. If you want it, I got it, you can f with me and now. Still riding 24, pocket full of cheddar now. Hit the trap and I be out soon as I handle my BI. I'm tryna dodge the FBI, who knew when they had BTI. Chevy sitting real high, same clothes still fly. That's the them young niggas out there wanna hear about. They want that young, dumb, who you with, where you from. That gang banging rag, hanging what you claiming crunk. They like that, they own that, they like that. They want that super gutter, ignorant, that new ghetto belligerent. Authentic brick flipping, dope boy, trap. Yeah, they like that, they own that, they like that, yeah, they want that. Gangsta walking, see me approaching caution, Louis belt around my waistline, pistol hanging off. Cause who be talking, they can get it if they want it. Still hanging on the corner, slanging, cracking marijuana. Still the man in my trap, disappeared from the feds, they ran in my trap. Took a half key, 100 grand in my strap. Only thing I got 99 in my lap. Better double, triple it, whip it, get it to selling. Get rich and get out the game, for snitches can get the talent. Magician with him, Magellan, already a fella. Ain't even fired up the drawer and they already can smell it. We hours of the moon, I'ma hustle till it's all gone. Better recognize my grind, paint roll over all, never mind my shine. If you're banging, let me see your gang sign one time. They want that young, dumb, who you with, where you from. That gang banging rag, hanging what you claiming crunk. They like that, they own that, they like that. They want that super gutter, ignorant, that new ghetto belligerent. Authentic brick flipping, dope boy, trap. Yeah, they like that, they own that, they like that, yeah, they want that. No, I spent my whole life in that. They still around with me cause they like that shit. Yeah, they like that, they own that, they like that, yeah, they want that. I used to live it, I ain't writing that like I'm writing that. That's why they like that, yeah, they like that, they own that, they like that, yeah, they want that young, dumb, who you with, where you from. That gang banging rag, hanging what you claiming crunk. They like that, they own that, they like that. They want that super gutter, ignorant, that new ghetto belligerent. Authentic brick flipping, dope boy, trap. Yeah, they like that, they own that, they like that, yeah, they want that.
We gon' be some rural legends. Don't see us at the bar, tip caps and raise cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some rural legends. Don't see us at the bar, tip caps and raise cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some
Outside of One Lake Town is a 2-mile in, and Adams County is where I live. Pennsylvania, born and raised, stayed here since I was a kid. Everybody else wanna leave, be athletes and get degrees. Trying to find a way out, I'm never gonna bounce. This is what I was meant to be. A rural legend, like DUI Steve. Getting fucked up in my garage while chasing my dream. And I'm with my team, they're right beside me. In Penn's Woods, we up to no good, turn a bottle upside down like an IV. Cause I need more than just a little bit. High knees, keep it moving, so we gon' be running shit. People from the outside looking in from the glass house like we don't notice it. Well, hold up, the country boys gonna put them on notice then. Wake up and smell the Folgers, dirty running with the redneck soldiers. Whenever you put us together, we doing it better than them. We never letting people down that know us. It's a small town explosion, and it's just blowing up. What I mean is a high and the draft says strong, cause the skunk we brought explosives.
Don't see us at the bar, tip caps and raise cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some rural legends. Don't see us at the bar, tip caps and raise cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some rural legends.
Gonna get off in it. We gonna be some rural legends till the finish. Ever since I can remember, been a menace. My family out in Holders Cove can be my witness that I can write a sentence like a country boy can bait a hook. A country boy won't ever rap, we'll take a look. I got my pen and pad way out in the damn woods, and y'all can't even see me cause I'm hidden damn good. Yeah, we out of the 931, all the way up to Pennsylvania. We out in the pines with guns,
guns, y'all already hear them, can't you? Somebody get the whiskey, somebody give me the jack, somebody prop me up, or I'll fall when I'm tilting back. I'm with them redneck soldiers, and that Bo Dirty, you know us. They been telling us hold up, but they ain't no fucking way we gonna slow up. And won't show no love to a mofo, punk, low life, no hard working ass. We some legends, son, bitch. Get you them like some other ass, boy.
Won't see us at the bar, tip caps and raise cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some real dirty party. Won't see us at the bar, tip caps and raise cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some real.
First of all, get them titties out when you see me. Secondly, bring the whiskey out when you see me. Tip your hat, wear the flat, bill a cowboy. I ain't discriminating, we bout to get it wild, boy. JD and Black Velvet, getting in my system got me singing like a Elvis. I ain't selfish, take a shot for yourself and hope the pretty ladies get to shaking, moving with their pelvis. Tell me, where is the velvet? What the hell, I don't even drink it, but I might tonight, cause ain't no telling what the hell I'm thinking. Hitting up the bar with my bows, big bucks in this bitch, we bumper hunting those. It's how it goes, I reckon, I suppose that we flow till we grow some seeds. Now we bout to explode, now watch me unload. We all praying to the porcelain reverend, but in this town we gon' be some real legends.
We gon' be some real dirty party. Won't see us at the bar, tip caps and raise cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some real dirty party. Won't see us at the bar, tip caps and raise cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some real
Till the gang boys and the UPS crew get together, you know how we do.
We gon' be some
From
real
the Tennessee mountains to them PA trees, you best damn sure believe
We gon' be some
we gon' roll the sleeves up, we gon' burn this bitch down.
Hit him! Hit him! Hey! There you go, yeah! Push him! Alright, help him! Don't push him!
We're all fucking big kids, man. This dude's in a suit, he's going in.
I'm a big kid. I'm a big kid.
Let him do it. Oh, hold that dude up. You're right, Kevin. Where's the banana?
Till the finish. Ever since I can remember, been a menace. My family out in Holders Coke can be my witness that I can write a sentence like a country boy can bait a hook. A country boy won't ever rap. We'll take a look. I got my pen.
Girls! Girls! All right, kids, out. up there, get up there with Brittany, dude. Brittany's over there, put her on there with the cowboy. Yeah, put her on there. Come on, I'll get up here, you put her back where I am. Oh, it's not so bad. You can't get hit. Fucking people are crazy. You know, if I was that person, I would be a model. They'll be going around the corner. That girl's got 5 bottles. You can only have one! One bottle! She's throwing them! Okay, who cares? Here! You're slow people! Who cares?
We're not land all the way until there.
Gonna be some rural legend. Hard and see her. No, see us at the bar. Tip caps and raised cups. Girls gonna get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we'd be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gonna be some rural legend. Hard and see her. No, see us at the bar. Tip caps and raised cups. Girls gonna get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we'd be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gonna be some rural legend.
Lake Town is a 2-mile in, and Adams County is where I live. Pennsylvania, born and raised, stayed here since I was a kid. Everybody else wanna leave, be athletes and get degrees. Trying to find a way out, I'm never gonna bounce. This what I was meant to be. A rural legend, like DUI Steve. Getting fucked up in my garage while chasing my dream. And I'm with my team, they're right beside me. In Penn's Woods, we up to no good, turn a bottle upside down like an IV. Cause I need more than just a little bit. High knees, keep it moving, so we gon' be running shit. People from the outside looking in from the glass house like we don't notice it. Well, hold up, the country boys gonna put them on notice then. Wake up and smell the Folgers, dirty running with the redneck soldiers. Whenever you put us together, we doing it better than them. We never letting people down that know us. It's a small town explosion, and it's just blowing up. What I mean is a hot and the draft says strong, cause the skunk we brought explosives.
Hard and see her. No, see us at the bar. Tip caps and raised cups. Girls gonna get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we'd be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some rural legend. Hard and see her. No, see us at the bar. Tip caps and raised cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we'd be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some rural legends.
Gonna get off in it. We gonna be some rural legends till the finish. Ever since I can remember, been a menace. My family out in Holders Cove can be my witness that I can write a sentence like a country boy can bait a hook. Somebody get the whiskey, somebody give me the jack, somebody prop me up, or I'll fall when I'm tilting back. I'm with them redneck soldiers, and that Bo Dirty, you know us. They've been telling us hold up, but there ain't no fucking way we gonna slow up. And won't show no love to a mofo, punk, low life, no hard working ass. We some legends, son, bitch. Get you them marks out for the mask, boy.
See her, no, see us at the bar. Tip caps and raised cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we'd be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some rural legend. See her, no, see us at the bar. Tip caps and raised cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we'd be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some rural legend.
First of all, get them titties out when you see me. Secondly, bring the whiskey out when you see me. Tip your hat, wear the flat, bill a cowboy. I ain't discriminating, we bout to get it wild, boy. JD and Black Velvet, getting in my system got me singing like a Elvis. I ain't selfish, take a shot for yourself and hope the pretty ladies get to shaking, moving with their pelvis. Tell me, where is the velvet? What the hell, I don't even drink it, but I might tonight, cause ain't no telling what the hell I'm thinking. Hitting up the bar with my bows. Big bucks in this bitch, we bumper hunting those. Is how we
some Earl Ledger. Won't see us at the bar, tip caps and raised cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we'd be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some Earl Ledger. Won't see us at the bar, tip caps and raised cups. Girls gon' get them titties out whenever they see us. Try and tell us we'd be nothing, but it didn't mean much. We gon' be some Earl Ledger. The gang boys in the UPS crew get together, you know how we do. We gon' be some Earl Tennessee mountains to them PA trees. You best damn sure believe we gon' be some Earl. We gon' roll the sleeves up, we gon' burn this bitch down. Ain't no way they forgetting me. We gon' be some Earl Tennessee whiskey smoking PA trees. You know that we gon' be. We gon' be some Earl Legend.
Now I can see all the damage brought on by me. I'm a sinner to my core. I ask forgiveness and nothing more. 'Cause I'm a sinner to my core. I ask forgiveness, nothing more. I ask forgiveness and nothing.
Crazy motherfucker. Oh, fuck, he's backing off. Oh, here we go. Yep.
what they mean. If you're gonna talk the talk, you better walk the walk. And brother, that's the truth. So honestly, what would Waylon do? I can guarantee if he was alive today, he'd ask us one more time, "Boss, you sure ain't done it this way." We don't need another pretty boy singing pretty songs. Fake country boys doing country all wrong. We need another Haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody chewing backer and whipping ass. I need a preacher, I need a savior. How about y'all? Can I get a outlaw? Are the good times really gone for good, or can we get back to our roots? It's about damn time we raise the bar, so raise a glass if you feel like I do. 'Cause we don't need another pretty boy singing pretty songs. Fake country boys doing country all wrong. We need another Haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody chewing backer and whipping ass. I need a preacher, I need a savior. How about y'all? And I pray country answers my call. Can I get a